as Chicago faced a ground stoppage at O'Hare and cancellations and delays at Midway. The cold and icy conditions continue to be a lingering problem for drivers and anybody who has to be outside. NBC5's Natalie Martinez with more on how this wintry mix is impacting you.
Too cold and icy for many people to bother driving much in Evanston and Skokie tonight. At Midway Airport, it was a slow go for the Marian Catholic High School girls basketball team tonight, but they are finally back from an event in Fort Lauderdale.
About an hour and a half wait until we got out of Florida because of Baltimore. Then when we got to Baltimore, we had to immediately get on to another. We didn't even have time to stop for anything. We had to get on to another plane, and then we sat on the terminal for probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
The Chicago Heights team, along with so many others here, delayed or experiencing cancellations due to weather.
It's been quite the trip.
I was a little worried, but once we got on board, everything was pretty smooth.
Ashley's armed with Chicago pizza, ready to wait out her half-hour delay back to New Orleans.
I got here this morning and there's snow everywhere. Took me about an hour to drive, about 20 minutes. I was driving so slow. I was that person. I'm sorry, guys. 20 degrees. Whether there's snow or not, I'm going to have many, many layers.
Reagan National Airport in Washington is closed tonight, and flights here canceled. An earlier ground stop at O'Hare caused more than 100 cancellations and hours-long delays. Nationwide, Southwest Airlines had the most cancellations, more than 400, and nearly 900 delays.
There was like a machine that came and like sprayed the entire plane. There was a bunch of like smoke. It was kind of cool to see. But
from Waukegan to central Illinois and all the way to Chicago's icy lakefront. The snow and icy roads are sure to be a tricky challenge for commuters.
Yesterday we just tried to keep up with the storm. Today's an opportunity for us to get the lanes into a much improved condition and a much safer condition for the traveling public.
And while there's not a lot of snow, what is here could create potential for a slippery commute in the morning. On the north side, Natalie Martinez, NBC5 News.
Okay, Natalie, thank you very much.